ever heard of cells that are immortal? These cells were from Henrietta Lacks, who was born in Roanoke, Virginia in 1920. Henrietta was the ninth child in the family and had one younger sibling. Her family was African American and was poor, so their family all worked in tobacco fields. Henrietta Lacks also lived with her cousins and where her ancestors were slaves. Unlike most of the Lacks family who did not go to school at all, Henrietta stayed at school until 6th grade but did not go to college. After 6th grade, she became a farmer full-time and later took care of her kids and cooked. Since she was the ninth child in the family, Henrietta was often ignored and had no privileges. When she grew older, she learned that Johns Hopkins, a medical hospital, sometimes took African Americans on the streets and ran tests on them because they thought that their lives did not matter. Despite the fact that she knew that Johns Hopkins treated African Americans badly, Henrietta still went to Johns Hopkins to receive cancer treatment. Henrietta Lacks died of the disease at the age of 31 in 1951. Even though Henrietta Lacks, an African American, was tricked by white doctors, she still contributed a great amount of knowledge, which started a huge medical revolution. Did you know that Henrietta's cell line is the most commonly used cell line in labs all around the world? Her cell line greatly surpasses other lines because her cells multiply quickly because they are cancer cells and can thrive in harsher environments. Henrietta Lacks' cells have been used to help create polio vaccine, enable live cell transport, and help the researcher find a stain that could make chromosomes visible. Even the modern field of virology was started by Henrietta's cells. Her cells also contributed to the study of animals. Surprisingly, Gila, her cell line's name, was used in animal cloning because her cell's hardiness helped scientists create a method in genetic hybrids which crosses mice cells and Gila cells. Gila has been used worldwide in many experiments. In conclusion, Henrietta Lacks' cells helped many scientists and others advance biology in other fields, especially molecular biology. Even if you aren't a scientist or doctor, Gila also contributed to the vaccine of polio, a treatment of Parkinson's disease, and also a development for a cure for cancer. Henrietta's cells enabled people to learn a great amount more about cells. After she died, Henrietta's family said that if Henrietta lived, she would probably be happy that her cells helped thousands of people. Even if Henrietta was tricked by white doctors, she still helped by giving a huge amount of knowledge, which launched a great medical revolution.